Do you want to save your TikTok draft straight to your phone's gallery, but you can't find the option anywhere? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it, step by step. So make sure you watch until the end. I have my TikTok application opened, and I have a video, which I'm going to save as a draft, and then I'll download it to my phone gallery. So tap on Next, and then click on the Drafts button, which is then going to save our video to the Drafts section. Go over to your TikTok profile and then open your Drafts section. Let's say I want to save this specific video to my phone's photo gallery. All I have to do is to tap on this little arrow at the right side of my screen, then Save. Now, once you tap the Save button, TikTok will give you 3 different options. The first one is Save with Watermark, which simply saves your video to the gallery, but with the TikTok logo on it. The second one is Post to Save without watermark, and this means you have to actually post the video, and TikTok will save a clean version without the watermark. And the last one is Post to Story to Save without watermark, which lets you post it only to your story and still save the video to your phone without the watermark. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.